And good afternoon, it's Chief Meteorologist Kurt Aaron. Just wanted to give you a quick update as to what we're thinking with this next storm. It's been an active weather pattern, as you know. What you're looking at right now are anticipated snowfall totals for Wednesday. This storm is going to come in different phases, and the first phase will be snow, then we'll see a change over to a mix briefly, followed by rain as we get into the afternoon. So let's go back to the boards and we'll show you, kind of take you through step by step what you can expect. And again, you can always find more information on this at WNEP.com, or you can watch us on Channel 16. So how do we come up with this snowfall map? Well, here's another model. And again, I'm going to show you the numbers here just so you can get an idea. You see that out in the Poconos, Mount Pocono there, 4.8, 4.6 for Albrightsville, and we're also looking at some slightly higher amounts up towards Wellsboro and those areas. So that's kind of where you get that band of that 3 to 6. And then you come down to the Valley Cities, you got Scranton, 3.2, Wilkes-Barre 3.1. I know Williamsport's showing 4.5, but again, that's just one model. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and give you an idea. Let me just advance it so we know what we're looking at. So this is a Wednesday snow event. Now there's one model that we just talked about. I just showed you. Williamsport bumped up there to 4.5, but you get the idea. Now let me show you another model. And this is the GFS model, and it's showing even lower amounts. So what we've been seeing with the model data is trending down. Now there is one model that's showing it a little bit more up. That would be the North American model. I'll show you that one real quick here, but there you go. That's showing anywhere from 4, 5, 6 inches. The outlier there is Wellsboro at 10, but you can see that's the highest model. The rest of them are pretty much coming in line with these lower amounts. So that's how we came up with what we anticipated our snowfall map to be. And as you can see, plus there's other variables here. And I want to start off by showing you the synoptic map. And this shows exactly how this system arrives. See, it's just to our northwest. You see that? So we start off as all snow. And the snow is over northeastern and central Pennsylvania. I think the height of the snow will be between, say, 10 and 2. And then look what happens. After 2 o'clock, we see that mix, and then it goes to the rain showers. And it looks like it's going to be a decent rain for a while here. We could be looking at a ½ inch or more by the time it's all said and done. Now, as that system slowly pulls away, you can see all of that colder air, which is behind it, that's going to pass over our region on Thursday. So we're going to end up with, again, back to some snow showers. So here's time once again on it. We'll back this up. This is future radar, just to give you an idea. 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, snowing up there in the northern tier. By 10, 11 o'clock, it arrives to the rest of us. Look at noon. That's when I think we'll see our most intense snowfall. Could be falling at the rate of 1 to 2 inches an hour for those couple of hours. And then, look at that, the mix by the afternoon into the evening hours, that's all a mix. And then it's all rain, just plain old rain. Now, the other thing I want to mention, notice how things shut down. That's because if you look at this map, this is the storm system. It's just to our northwest. You see what happens? We get a dry slot that works in here, and that helps push a lot of this precipitation out. So by Wednesday evening, we're only talking a few spotty showers around. That's it. So before I go here, just to recap, we're expecting the snow to arrive anytime between, say, 5 and 8 o'clock. It'll start in our southern tier first and then gradually work its way to the east. Noontime, as we just showed you, that's when the snow seems like it'll be heaviest at that point, noon, 1 o'clock, and then a general 1 to 5. Lower amounts in the Wyoming and Susquehanna valleys, while slightly higher amounts in the northern tier and over the Poconos, as we just showed. Afternoon, we're going to see that change Wednesday to that mix, and then rain showers, and then evening, the rain tapers off with that dry slot that we just talked about that'll be moving in on Wednesday evening. So that's just a basic overview of the storm itself, and we're going to continue to track it. If anything changes, we'll let you know right here, but we want you to be prepared. You may have some issues on your morning commute. That's when the snow's just going to be arriving. It'll be very light. And then certainly if you're going to be running some errands at lunchtime, that's when you could encounter some bigger problems there with that steadier snow. So we'll keep you posted. Thanks for tuning in.